guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today, following on really from the last video I did where I showed you how to quickly make drum tracks in Logic using the, I forget the name of it, MT Power Drum Kit 2 and Logic's Drummer. I figured what I'd probably do is give you guys a project or a sample project where there's some compression, a noise gate, some EQ. It's very rudimentary, it's very basic, but I figured I'd give it away to you guys, download it, use it as a base for your own projects, just you rip it apart and have a look at it and maybe learn something from it. It's aimed, I'll be honest, at a beginner to intermediate level. So if you're an advanced pro and you rip it apart, don't be having a go at me. It's, as I say, done very, very quickly. The idea behind this was, this is based on a song from the up-and-coming EP called Sorry Not Sorry. And I kind of started messing around with orchestral elements and doing kind of like a remix of it, I suppose. And just messing around. I like to take my own tracks and play with them. And I kind of got this kind of semi-finished kind of project loop together. So, and I didn't know what to do with it. It's not a full song. I wasn't going to share it anywhere in regards to people listening to it. So I figured I'd just share it with you guys. Obviously, don't go ripping it off or stealing it, but it's for free for you guys to use to kind of learn from. And as I say, use as a base for your own projects in regards to the settings and things. Now, I'll be honest, it doesn't sound amazing, so I don't think you'd want to steal it anyway, but I don't know. As I say, if you do want to license any of our music, then please just get in touch, send us a message, and we can discuss that. There should be links for Facebook and stuff below. Anyway, all that aside, I'll play the track for you. Just very quickly, I've still not upgraded my software, so the sound quality of this will probably sound a bit rank. So again, I do apologise. I'll kind of show you quickly what we've got going on. We've got some guitars, as usual. I like to, this is one riff, but I've quad tracked it basically. We've got some full-on meaty, I think I've dialed it back a bit, but panned left, hard left, hard right, rhythm guitar, and then kind of a low focus, echoey, reverby, half panned, ambient, left and right. Logic, I think hard pans 64, so if you want a half pan it's about 32. I think these are panned at 30, so basically half panned left and right. Got a bass straight down the middle. I believe on this particular section, in the actual full song, there's, I think, the bass, it's got its own bass line. There's a rhythm guitar and a lead guitar, but in this particular loop, I think they're all playing the same riff. We've got some of the orchestral stuff. I'm looking at buying some string sound banks for Contact, so this was kind of like a mess around with that. An ensemble, basses, which I've spelt completely wrong, so that's going to annoy me. Violas and even a choir, so there's a bit of panning going on. No automation, just the straight up panning, and then obviously the drums. And we've got some compression and noise gate. There's channel EQ and stuff on each of the different things. Now this isn't full mix ready, there's no mastering chain. It's just very quickly, crudely done, just so that this is basically, I'll be honest, for songwriting purposes, just to get everything to sit in its own frequency and you can kind of hear each element, so that when I'm writing a song, there's a bit of a mix going on, rather than just, you know, I hate writing something and I write a nice little part, and then when I come to mix it, I just can't get it to sit right, or when I mix it, it kind of unsits, it doesn't fit in the mix anymore, and I have to delete it. So again, I'm no expert, so a lot of it is just trial and error for me. Kind of, I can read sheet music and I know a little bit of music theory, but not a whole lot, I'll be honest with you, and it's something I'm currently trying to get better at, doing a course at the minute. So you guys will probably, if you're experts, again, this is aimed at beginners and intermediates. If you're an expert, you're probably going to find loads of errors and mistakes, but hey ho, You know, the main thing is that you make music. Doesn't matter if it sounds good or bad, you can only get better. Oh, that's the hope. So as I say, what I'll do is I'll solo at each section here and give you a little snippet so you can hear basically what's going on. Then I'll play the full loop for you, and then at the end of this video, I'll put a clip or a little snippet of the actual full Sorry Not Sorry track. So again, guys, before I do start playing you bits of this, please do like and please do subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell icon and you'll be notified whenever I upload anything else. I've got some plugin presets that I'm going to share, some other sample projects that I'm going to share, and some other tutorial videos coming very, very soon. So yeah, hope you enjoy this, guys. Check it out, and yeah. So these are the guitars. Very simple. The bass, as I say, I think it's playing the same riff. And the idea there is it just kind of fattens the whole sound out. Could probably get it to sound better if I spent more time on mixing it. The orchestral stuff, we'll just give you the full thing. And that's all just looping. As I say, there's no automation or anything here, guys. I probably would in the full mix if I were to do one, have the stuff fading in and out and panning and all that kind of stuff. And the drums, which I think sound a lot better than the mess around I were doing on the previous video, which is kind of why I wanted to share this. So I think these you'll hopefully agree sound a lot better than just the raw drums from the previous video, from the tutorial video. So check these out. Just very, very simple, very simple stuff. So I'll play you the full thing, guys, and then I'll play you the actual snippet of the track. So again, feel free to use it as a bass for your own songs. As I say, it sounds crap, so I don't think anyone would want to steal it, but please don't. And yeah, happy music making, guys. Play the full thing, and catch you in the next video. And before I forget to say, guys, I know this probably sounds a bit repetitive and a bit boring, but yeah, as I say, it was just a little mess around for me to kind of get things sounding how I wanted. The the orchestral stuff sounds horrible because I think I don't know if it's just Logic's own sound bank, but as I say, I don't know if I've already said this, or cover it right. I'll cover it right at the end very quickly for you. All the EQ and compression and stuff it's all stock Logic, so you should be able to open this project without any issue. I mean, I do recommend, it's a paid plugin or series of plugins, but FabFilter, if you can afford it, if you've got the means to buy it, that's what I prefer to use. And I know a lot of the big names, they use it and you know, swear by it, but hopefully, again, if you're on a budget or you're just starting out and you want to know where to start with as little you know, startup cost as possible, then hopefully this helps you out, guys. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.